Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is Improving the Reliability of Network Intrusion Detection Systems through Dataset Integration. And the abstract of the project is Machine Learning Algorithms Based Network Intrusion Detection System is a soft device that monitors computer networks to detect malicious activity that is intended to steal confidential information or damage hack network agreements. This work presents Reliable Network Intrusion Detection System, a novel methodology for machine learning based network intrusion detection system that allows ML models to work on integrated datasets, empowering the learning process with diverse information from different datasets. Therefore, Reliable Network Intrusion Detection System targets the design of more robust models that generalize better than traditional approaches. We propose a new dataset called UNK22 dataset. It is built from three of most well-known network datasets: UGR16, USNW-NB15 and NLS-KDD datasets, each one gathered from its own network environment with different features and classes by using the data aggregation approach present in Reliable Network Intrusion Detection System. In this process, we propose the machine learning algorithm models such as XGBoost algorithm, random forest algorithm, and logistic regression is used to test the intrusion detection system. Finally, it will generate the results in the form of matrices like accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. And the flow diagram of the project is: first we need to start the program and select the UNK2022 dataset, and we use the sample dataset in our console working directory. After that, it will move into data pre-processing. In data pre-processing, we are going to checking the null values in our dataset, and we are going to apply the label encoding method. In label encoding, in that we are going to replace the text value into numerical value. After that, it will move into data selection. In data selection, we are going to split our dataset into training dataset and testing dataset. Then it will upgrade into classification. In classification, we are using three different types of machine learning algorithms like XGBoost algorithm, random forest algorithm, and logistic regression algorithm. Those three algorithms are used to train the UNK2022 dataset, and it will classify the data and generate the results in the form of matrices like accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. The project was successfully executed in Anaconda Navigator Spider IDE, and this is the sample data visualization of our UNK2022 dataset. After that, I am going to check the information about the every columns. In that, 134 columns are considered as a integer data type, and other two columns are considered as an object data type. Then I am going to describe the dataset. In that, I am going to find the count value, mean value, standard value, minimum value to maximum values for every columns contains in our dataset. After that, I am checking the null values in our dataset. There is no null values in our dataset, so it will show the result is false for every column. So after that, I have to plot the count plot between the number of background, DOS, and scan classes. So after that, I am going to split our dataset into training dataset and testing dataset. In that, I am going to split. This is the independent variable training dataset contains 16,000 data, and independent variable test data contains only 4,020 data, and dependent variable train data contains 60,079 data, and dependent variable test data contains only 4,020 data. So in that, I am going to apply the classification. I am going to use the first algorithm of XGBoost algorithm, and XGBoost algorithm which is achieves the accuracy rate is 94%. So these are all the classification report for XGBoost algorithm for every classes like background, DOS, and scan classes. So this is the precision, recall, FN score value for background, DOS, and scan classes. So in that, precision means number of correct prediction, and recall means number of correct instance of prediction, and FN score means to measure the test accuracy. So this is the confusion matrix diagram. The confusion matrix results. So this is the confusion matrix diagram. So the confusion matrix which is used to explain the number of correct prediction and misclassification by using our XGBoost algorithm. So this is the learning curve of XGBoost algorithm. So this is the training score, and this is the test score for XGBoost algorithm. So our second algorithm is random forest algorithm. In the random forest algorithm, achieves the accuracy rate is 94%. So classification report for random forest algorithm is, these are the classification, and this is the confusion matrix for random forest algorithm, and this is the learning curve for random forest algorithm, and this is the confusion matrix for random forest algorithm. And our final algorithm is logistic regression algorithm, and logistic regression algorithm will achieve the accuracy rate is 93%, and these are the classification report for logistic regression algorithm, and this is the confusion matrix for logistic regression algorithm, and this is the learning curve for logistic regression algorithm, and finally this is the confusion matrix for logistic regression algorithm. So this is the comparison between the XGBoost and random forest and logistic regression algorithms. So these are all the variable results that we are used in our program.